Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about camp stoves. Now, some of you saying, why do I need camp stoves? I got a propane tank here to run my propane stove and everything, so I'm good. Great. Or someone going, I got an electric stove. I don't need to have a camp stove. Good. What happens when the power goes out? Or what happens if the delivery truck can't make it to you to fill your big propane tank up? Well, if you have a camp stove, you can continue cooking for a little while. All right. Some of the camp stoves you get, if you have one of those 5-gallon barbecue, 5-gallon barbecue propane tanks, hey, you can cook quite a while on your little camp stove. So camp stoves have a place in prepping. And what if you need to bug out? You're not going to be taking your big propane tank in your range with you. No, you can take the 5-gallon bottle of propane, and then you can take your camp stove, and it can go with you. Throw it in the car, and you're gone, and you can still keep on cooking. So give camp stoves another thought. And they come in different sizes. They have the 2 burners, the 3 burners, the 1 burner. They have the little backpacking ones, so that if you need to bug out and just leave your car and everything, you can still take the small stove with a small propane tank with you, so that you can at least heat up your coffee. I know that's going to get a lot of you thinking. So, as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps in water, food, other supplies. Make sure you have a good supply all around to take care of yourself. Why? Well, this is why.